Got it, Priya?
Got it. Can you just give us an example? Just play a one round and I can get it completely.
Like I told that procrastination.
Procrastination. Okay.
Do you know the meaning?
It's like not doing the things at the exact time, just trying to, shift the time. We will do it next time. We'll do it next time. So it's
Yeah,
procrastination.
exactly.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Now it's your turn to tell a word.
Mm-hmm.
Now it's your turn to tell a word.
Okay. Stratosphere.
Yeah.
Do you guys know the meaning? Stratosphere.
Short.
It's a new one. Stratosphere.
Shortosphere. No, I don't
Stratosphere.
know the meaning.
Okay, it's a
Stratosphere.
new term. Okay, it's a new term. It's called an environment when more than two idiots are joined together. Like they call it as when you're going out with your friends, they call it as a stratosphere. It's an environment filled with idiots who are seem like you. It's just a funny word.
Okay. Okay. Now next person. Now next person could say the word.
Uh-huh.
If you if you all are okay with this game, then we can continue.
Yeah, it's good. We can learn on new words.
Yeah. Rani, Heather.
Yes.
Yeah. Two.
So who's next? You're the next, right?
Yeah. No, you are the next.
But after Priya, it's your number, I guess.
Okay. So what to say? Okay. What is the meaning of extempore?
What? Temper?
I heard it.
Yeah.
Temper, EXTEMPOR, right?
Yeah. Right.
Temper, I don't know the meaning, to be honest.
Is that like doing something without any preparation or something that like?
Yeah. Exactly.
Like I heard it, but I'm not sure the meaning is right or wrong.
Do something
Okay.
for what?
I have
Doing something.
a word.
Okay.
Yeah. It's like a speech doing without preparation.
No, on spot.
Okay.
Yeah.
Speech without preparation. It's temper. Okay.
Now it's your turn.
Okay, so the thing, another word, it's obnoxious.
Okay. It's like a very pungent, very dirty, very clumsy to be with someone.
Yes, it is kind of like unpleasant feeling, I would say.
Yeah. Exactly.
Yeah, obnoxious.
Yeah. Now it's Rani's turn.
Okay, my word is obsolete.
Okay.
Obsolete.
Why you guys are making wrong pronunciation?
Sorry, I don't have any pronunciation. I'm just learning.
Yeah. Actually,
If you are saying something because the other person they are learning it, so make sure that whatever you are saying it's right.
Yes.
You can check Google before saying like it is obsolete, right? And in case of exam temporary, so that is exam temporary.
How to pronounce it?
Which one?
Obsolete. What did you say?
It is obsolete.
Solid.
Obsolete.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Okay, do you
Outdated.
know guys
Maybe
its meaning?
maybe
It is
this.
outdated.
Yeah, exactly. Absolute.
Obsolete.
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 Okay.
Okay, what's the meaning? Do you know guys?
As I
Uh,
said, it is outdated.
Outdated.
Okay.
Outdated.
Good. That's right.
Yeah. Now it's Salar times.
And you know,
Salar, you can say
last time you said extempore, right?
no extempore.
No,
Extempore.
the pronunciation is extempore. Extempore, right?
Extempore. Okay.
Yep.
Maybe we are not good to pronounce the words.
Yeah, it happens. We are, like Indians.
Yeah.
We are very behind, we don't know how to pronounce it.
Yeah.
We
Okay.
can
Okay.
speak English, right? But we are lagging behind in this. Even I make a lot of mistake. I don't know how to pronounce it every word. I'm still learning.
Okay. Then, uh, Shah, it's your turn. You can tell a good word.
Okay, so the word is heyday. Heyday. Heyday.
Heady. Okay.
Yep.
Is everyone knows the meaning of this word? No, Shah. I think we don't know the meaning of this word.
The meaning of this word is a period of someone or something that is successful, or you can say a successful period of someone or something.
Okay. Heady.
So I can give you an example sentence, right?
Yeah, of course. Of course.
In his heyday, Dharmendra was very famous.
Uh, yes, really nice. I completely got the meaning.
You can say Sunahre Din. The
Yeah.
Modi ji, always talk about Achhe Din Aayenge. That is heyday. That is not
Heady.
going to happen. Heyday.
Okay.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi, Hal.
Hi. How are you?
Happy Women's Day, dear girls.
Thank you. Thank you.
How are you doing, Hal?
Great. Thank you, Krishna.
Welcome. Had your breakfast?
Miss Rani, are you into gardening?
No, but I like it.
Okay, because you have written